We've got Nilika Singh on the phone line with his next question. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi, this is Nilika. I'm looking for a property in Navi Mumbai, Panvel. My budget is 40 lakhs. I have shortlisted Godrej City, Panvel, and it's for investment purpose. So my question is this a good property and safe project to invest? What is the return I can expect after a few years? And the second question is completion date given by the builder is 2017 end. So it can be like they can live up to their commitment?
All right. Well, safe. Godrej property should be safe. I don't think there's a safety issue. About completing in time, what do you think? I mean, how has been the record of this company? Because there have been some projects which have been delayed. Not too much, and they've kept the consumer aware of it, but they have.
Yeah, so I would completely agree with you on that matter. For example, because I think Godrej also is going on a very asset-light model, but doing multiple JDAs across the country. I am sure execution will be a big challenge in times to come. Whether they're gearing up their team to do that, I'm sure they would be doing that. But yes, delays are inevitable when you cross a certain minimum threshold of construction. And it's beyond your control for many reasons. Having said that, I think Godrej City is a huge development of 150 acres. It will be a self-sufficient township, both commercial, residential, malls, schools, everything will be within the township as well. They are clearly one of the most reputed developers now in the country. So I think if you have to go with somebody, you can easily go ahead with them. I'll come to the key data points and give you one more recommendation that you may want to consider. The total projects here are 84370 units, 24 months is the inventory overhang, 5,400 rupees a square foot is the weighted average price of the mid segment over here. Price appreciation now has come down to 29% over the last 2.5 years, or about 12% on an annualized basis. Godrej City Phase 1 by Godrej Properties Panvel, this is trading at 5,470 rupees a square foot. This project, as you said, is going to get completed in 2017. The other recommendation that you may want to consider is Greens by Indiabulls Real Estate. This is Panvel. This is trading at 5,300 rupees a square foot. This is getting ready in 2018, and this is also a part of a 80-acre township coming up in phases, designed by Hafiz Contractor, one of the reputed architects. And this is also directly available with the developer. Just one word of caution, this is an investor-driven market. Please don't have very high expectations of investment returns in this market for some time to come.
So, you know, our past data shows that the returns have been about 12 to 13%, so 30% over 2.5 years. Do you think that it would be more muted than this? At least, I mean, we don't have a crystal ball, but looking at the conditions today and 5 years, about 10% or so?
10% is a safe bet, I would say, but this market used to be 45% plus, is down to 29%.
But right in front of us, it's fallen to, you know, 29-30% over the last 2.5 years.
Absolutely. So that's what I'm trying to say, that now with this drop, I think prices will get realistic, investor expectations will get realistic. If you're looking at Panvel, unless something extraordinary happens to the economy and everything else, I think a 10 to 14% is a safe bet on an annualized return to be happy with.
Be happy with. Nilika, well, we hope that you will make 14% and the economy turns around. We have a stable government and everything which needs to work for India works right, and the property market also starts reviving and doing very well. Let's take our next question. We've got PK Suri joining us on the phone line.